Hello, so in this video I will show properties tools in FormIt application. So properties are located here. You can click properties tool and properties opens. So if not any object is selected, properties will show basic project properties. So location of the project, gross area, floor area ratio, basic information. If I select a specific object, I can see some information about this object. I can see the name of object. I can change the name. I can see if object has layer, so I can change the layer. I can see volume of my object. I can see total level area, so it's more specific parameter for building. And I can see if my object has levels. It also is more specific for building objects. So, thank you.